As humans, one of the things that makes us unique is that we have language. It is about our sense of identity and belonging as a human being.
One area where that's increased in importance recently is the use of pronouns. Pronouns are a tiny little grammatical piece of language, and people are now choosing to use them for a really powerful, impactful reason to signal their identity. The BSc in Linguistics is a degree programme for students who are interested in language, in speech and in communication.
Some of our teaching is in discussions, doing workshops. There's also some lab work, so for instance in audiology and research methods.
We break it down to things like the sounds in language, the words, sentence structure, everything about a communication context, and we look at it scientifically.
This is a generation that has lots and lots of information surrounding them.
Social media, even just text messaging, which is changing the way that we communicate as a species. As humans, most of us are really good communicators. It's one of the things that we're hardwired to do. What technology does is it makes it easier for us to communicate, it makes it quicker, it makes it more effortless.
What the course aims to achieve is a very good insight into the structure of languages and looking at different areas of linguistics. Recent counts, in fact, suggest that there are about 7,000 languages in the world, so you can imagine that there is a very wide variety in the structure of these languages.
The city is right in the centre of London, where there is this huge diversity of culture, language, background, and to think about language and communication in that context, and then to go home on the bus and to hear some of it around you is always really, really helpful.
We've got this real richness of clinical and applied experience that we bring to our linguistics course. These principles that you're learning about will be applied to a variety of different real-world situations.
You can be a clinical linguist to look at communication when it goes wrong. You could also be a historical linguist looking at the way language has developed. And there are lots of different areas of specialism like this.
Students who come to City are passionate about language, and they've recognised that we're a centre of excellence for language.
Come and join us to study linguistics at City. We look forward to hearing from you.